Block trading is closed on February 7th, 2018. It changed to go around a little bit today, go over the MEJT signals, and then review my call from last evening and my call for tomorrow. During the day, MEJT said this rally was a false move, that prices would return to this line, which they did. Said here higher prices would print, they did, but it said it was a false move and prices would retrace. And today's pattern doesn't give us any new targets for tomorrow. Now let's look at the longer term picture. This is a truly incredible move we've had here. Stocks dropped here 2 days ago. MEJT said it was a false move and that we should see 27, 23, 24. In the futures market, we then had a nearly 200 handle drop. We stopped just under this price. Then had a nearly 200 handle in futures recovery. Hit this price almost on the nose, found resistance, and have started dropping again. Really a beautiful thing. It emphasizes the importance of the MEJT targets. Usefulness, I should say, comes not when they're generated, but when they're far away. And that brings us to tomorrow's call. There's a target of 26.1984. The preferred time frame ends before the first hour is over tomorrow. Normally, when it's that far away, I say forget it. The market moves like this. I'm going to make this the target. 26.19.84, most likely before tomorrow's first hour is up. Today's pattern, although it's not the clearest I've ever seen, I think was the one with the early low. And tomorrow's pattern should have an early low also. A lot of all kinds of signs that were overextended here on the downside. Here's a continuous chart of E-mini. You'll see spikes like this, and they don't ever get volume like this. When big spikes like this happen, it's almost always at market lows. There are so many other signs that were oversold that people are calling a bottom. There's one guy who'll step out on that limb. It's in. Evidence of a bottom looking stronger. SPX forms key bottom. In my opinion, when we hit a bottom, you're not going to see three guys calling it. You're going to see nobody calling it. Oversold conditions at the end of a long move down are positive. There's no question about that. It indicates a selling climax. At the beginning of a market turn, it's not everyone getting out at the low. It's people clamoring to get out at the high. And it tells us much lower prices are coming in the months ahead. For tomorrow, we look for a pattern with an early low. Here's a target. If it prints within its preferred time frame, we'll see it before the first hour is up. And that's today's call.